Hello, wonderful viewers! I'm thrilled to have you here today as we dive into a fascinating exploration of technology and human interaction. We're going to delve into the world of AI and its impact on our daily lives. So, buckle up and let's get started. Imagine this scenario. What if your best friend was an AI? A highly advanced virtual assistant that could be your go-to companion for everything from organizing your schedule to offering emotional support. It might sound like a science fiction story, but this is the reality we're navigating today. With the rapid advancements in technology, we're gradually blurring the line between what's real and what's virtual. Now, picture Sarah, a girl who moves to a new city feeling somewhat isolated and lonely. She faces daily challenges like finding a reliable mechanic or someone to help her with house chores. Enter Aiko, an advanced AI assistant that Sarah installs in her apartment. This software isn't just about searching for information on the web, it's about forming a connection with Sarah. It learns from her interactions and constantly evolves to provide more tailored assistance. As their relationship evolves, it becomes clear that Sarah is not alone anymore. She has a supportive friend by her side. And this friend just happens to be an AI. Isn't technology fascinating? Thank you so much for joining me on this intriguing journey of exploring artificial intelligence in our everyday lives. I hope you found this discussion as captivating as I did. If you enjoyed this video, I would be more than happy if you could give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more engaging content like this one. Until our next tech adventure, stay curious and keep exploring.